So, Pros in the Project Specialist, hit that subscribe button. Today, one of my tenants let me know that they have no power in the basement. Lights don't come on. So, we're going to check this out. Got my hat on with my light on it. Sorry for the jiggleness, but we are on the move. All right. No bulb in there. Bulb in here. So they got power there. They got okay. First thing I want to check all right, sink wall, washer, furnace. Ooh, nice. These are all color coded and everything. Garage, north bathroom, bath, basement, living room. That one I know is good because I try to light in the .220 range, microwave, refrigerator, dining, west wall basement, main breaker. Furnace, I'm guessing, is good. Washer, kitchen lights, sink, wall, garage, north bedroom and bath. That works. Basement, living room, south wall bedroom, panel. Oh, we're gonna hit that. Okay, that all goes. This runs over to there. Okay. And this here runs to here. It's got that running. All right. Few too many outlets in there. Maybe if we get lucky. This is our issue right here. Test. Reset. Okay, down to here. Okay, I am becoming a little baffled. So, I got a light on the smoke detector. Okay. Now, does this happen to tie in? We could have an electrical switch that's bad. Nothing there. This line runs across to there. Across to there. That looks mighty black. Should not look that black. Oh, I remember why it looks black. All right, so luckily I brought a tester along. This is a Klein tool tester. I like these. So we got no power coming in here the way it looks. Okay, we got power there, we got power there. Power here. Of course, then we got power there. Okay, so south, east wall, bedroom, basement, and living room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if there is a GFI in the living room that got tripped that may be causing this issue. All right, I'm just going to go along and I'm going to test everything and see if I can find anything that's not working. That's working, it's charging. That's charging. Now, he's moving some furniture around. So maybe he bumped a GFI somewhere along the line. This works. I know it does. Okay. That appears to have power to it. You got power to that. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a bit. Okay, so I solved it. The light switch there needs to be down, not up. This is a three-way. And then there's a light switch right down here. I got the covers pulled right now. That was, they must have been out of sync because I put the one up on top down. Then I came here, put this one, adjusted this one and to down, and the lights came on. So we got it. I did go through, I want to show you a couple other things because I did this first and maybe that was the issue, but I went through the breaker box to make sure all the breakers were in the on position that could be involved in this. And then if you take a look at this right here, this is what they call a GFI, a ground fault plug. And so there's a test that you can hit to see if it snaps and quits the circuit. And there's another one over here, reset, that, okay, and I just hit the reset on it. I just snapped that by accident. Okay. So this should be all good now, but so I snapped that by accident and those were good. So I went through, I checked a couple other resets in the house to make sure if they were at the front of the circuit, like your kitchen always has a reset or should. And there are some other ones. There was one in the living room here. So I made sure those were all correct and came back down. I got to show you this too. A handy dandy to check the circuit, this Klein tools. So I can tell with this tool, you know, you turn it on, there's a button there, and I got a green light. So if I come across any electric, sorry for the shaking, but as you know, if you watch my videos, that's me. There's current coming through here. So I flipped that switch up on top of the steps and I came back down, I had nothing here. I tested it. Then I flipped this switch down and I got power. It showed me red. So I had power to that. I flipped that switch that way, kills everything downstairs here. Bring it back up and on. So we got this problem solved. Next thing I would have done is I would have went back over to the panel here and I would have just held my tester, the Klein here, against all those circuits or the wires coming out of the top of the box, and I would have looked for one that was dead, one that wasn't working, and then I would have backtracked that. I also could have started by the lights and checked that I had power coming into the lights. They're on a circuit. If I had power coming in, then I knew it was something miswired in one of the light boxes. Not maybe miswired, but it'd come loose or whatever over time. But we got it solved. That's how I would go about this. Okay? Once again, check with your local electrician. I'm going to take care of my liability on this. And if you do not feel comfortable with something, do not try it. But that's kind of a step-by-step how I walk through this. I think it was probably just the switches, or maybe it was a breaker, and after I hit a couple of those and went and played with the switches, it worked. So it was one of those things. Anyways, it's 2 below outside. I got that taken care of, and now my wife has another thing for me to do. But please hit that subscribe button. We're still trying to get Dean his $2 chicken sandwich. And have a great start to this new year, please. So with that said, Happy New Year. A little late, but a Happy New Year. Stay warm.